One of the best things about coming out this early is how you still get to catch both the night lights and, well, the sleeping ducks, but you eventually get to catch the sunrise. While I was on the walk over, I was thinking more about the embedded HTMX thing, and I had actually tried it with MicroPython before, but the RAM on the PyPico that I was testing with was not enough to hold the HTML files and also serve, you know, any content. So that just becomes an issue where an ESP32 would probably help. And then if we do it in bare metal Rust, then that becomes a better situation overall. So that's the reason I was looking at that. Maybe I'll put out like a simple Rust bare metal server that could be used as just a template for routing some of these HTMX paths. The ducks are really waking up. Normally they're all curled up and sleeping by now. So I just noticed that massive thing over there is actually a rain cloud that's coming out this way. Luckily I always have protection. No, rain umbrella thing with me. Tell me that doesn't look amazing. And if you're actually on the other side of that building, you could see Mount Rainier. So yeah, that's kind of where my mind was at as far as that stuff today. Still thinking about dashboards, because it would be really interesting to do like a Tailwind CSS type of thing for good looking dashboards for like a car UI panel. That's touching on the car camping van life conversion thing that I was thinking about the other day. For things like weather maps or battery levels or solar charging things, those kind of things. And then now I'm pretty much just going to sit here and wait for the sun to rise.